Welcome to Angular step-by-step course. Today I will explain about the NgAfterviewInit and NgAfterViewChecked lifecycle hooks. Here NgAfterviewInit is invoked when the view has been initialized. So this NgAfterViewChecked will be called and or invoked after initialization done and checked for the updates. So here I will explain with this example. Before that, I will give a clarity on this. NgViewInit and NgViewAfterCheck will be called after the NgOnChanges, NgOnInit, NgDoCheck. So if you want to implement this NgOnInit, NgOnChanges, NgDoCheck after the NgAfterViewInit, it will not be reflect. So we have an option to view initialization. We have to use only this NgAfterViewInit. Other than that, it will not work. So I will give a clarity and example for that. Yeah, here I will give a h1. This is heading. I want to give another example for that. Yeah, this is heading 1, this is heading 1, this is heading 2. So when NgAfterViewInit is initialized after the parent and child component of the template will be assigned or loaded. So here you can see in the, so here I have to give app user. So now you can see app user. So sorry, now it will be reflect. So user component, this is heading will be shown. So when you can check with this inspect, in this you can see I will give an NgAfter. I will implement this. So I have given this console log. In the console log, you have to initialize after view init. So you can see here. So after view init is initialized, after that after view checked, so it will be changes to after view checked. It will be called when if there is any changes is done, you can increase that after view checked. So can I will give one thing here, one button here I have to bring. Click me. So you can identify. If I click on the button, increase. So I will give a counter here. Counter. Okay. So I will give method you can see here that this dot counter will increase. So plus equal to 1 and counter equal to 0. So you can see when I clicked on this, it will increase that number and after view checked will be called. When I clicked on this, it will increase the after view checked. So if there is any changes are required in the view, it will be updated in that. So ng after view checked will be checked for that and it will give a result. So that is the concept of NgAfterviewInit and NgAfterViewChecked. Here I think I hope you have understood very well.